I shall make that.
Oh, nope, I don't want that. Not even 1 iota. Hell of a mess, Steve. Another one? Please tell me they didn't go for the rule of 3. Not that again.
Exterminate! No entry gets through the gate!
Yeah, I jinxed it, didn't I?
Dance with me!
What? Steve, even for you, this is a bit much.